Welcome again to CryptoJet, where today we're getting right into the video with section 1 of the 4 sections that we're covering in every single video. So first of all, a technical concept. This is what we call a trend channel in technical analysis. Now, don't be confused because sometimes price actually does break out of the trend channel and destroys the trend. The more times a resistance or a support are actually hit, the more likely it is to break. You can imagine this as a sledgehammer actually hitting a door, and the more times it actually hits the door, the more likely the door is to actually break. So moving on, and mind you, I will be showing you a live example of this trend channel on ANKR's chart later on in the video, which is today's project of the day. So what exactly is ANKR? Well, it's a multi-chain Web3 foundation for the whole crypto economy, combining node infrastructure, staking, decentralized finance, and developing and earning everything in one thing. So Web 3.0, metaverse, you get all of these thoughts, you're thinking about a faster, more efficient internet. Well, that is ANKR, and it is severely undervalued at the moment. So it operates this node across 50 plus proof of stake chains, brings two movements together, Web3 and decentralized finance, the two most important movements in the crypto space, using on over 50 different projects already, and believe it or not, at only a market cap of $1 billion. So ANKR can actually surge in price so much, I believe it can do a ×10 increase during this bull run right here. Here's a little bit about the info, here's some quotes about the customers, and let's move on to the fundamental of the day, which is saying that decentralized finance is the wild west of crypto, and it is next on the regulators hit list, which obviously stems from the first initial crackdown on Binance and other firms. Decentralized finance lets users take part in financial activities like lending, but with no middlemen involved. And then what do regulators want to do? They're saying like, what do you mean no middlemen? You know what I mean? I gotta be a middleman. I gotta make money somehow. So then all these regulators, they come in and they want to take your money. Well, we're gonna see how that happens. Apparently they're all concerned, but actually they're just concerned about the fact that financial system will not be the same as it was before, but that's going to be changed. That gradually comes, and a little bit of regulation may not be that bad for the crypto market, because if you regulate all of these terrible projects that are scamming people out of their money, then only the good ones will be left, right? So lastly, we are on ANKR's chart right now, and we are seeing a live example of a upwards trending trend channel. So we can see 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, making it valid, minimum 3 touches, 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, minimum 3 touches, very valid. Logarithmic chart looking at more upside at this point, and judging by the previous movements of ANKR, for example, this one right here, we could expect the log chart is now making everything a little bit weird, but I'm kind of looking for the high 70s mark on ANKR once we actually do break out, and we have broken out of this counter trend line, as you can see right here. So look at this, 1 touch, 2, 3, 4, 5, valid counter trend line broken out of. We may perform a retracement right now and then move straight towards more upside, because this project just simply has the hugest potential. So if you're looking for a good entry, perhaps take your fib levels out, do something like this, plot your fib levels out. Well, they're already respected the 61% level, so the direction is not down and then up. The direction is very simply just upwards at this point. So that will be it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to see something new in the future, and I'll see you all in the next video. Adios.